Welcome to Lesson 5 of WP Rocket, Database Optimization with WP Rocket. In this video, we'll explore the database optimization features in WP Rocket, learn their benefits, and implement settings to improve website performance. Database optimization helps you clean up unnecessary data, such as post revisions and spam comments, which improves website speed and reduces server load. Database optimization reduces clutter, improves query optimization, and ensures your website loads faster, enhancing user experience and SEO. Go to the database. And here we can see the option for post cleanup. Post cleanup revisions and drafts will be permanently deleted. Do not use this option if you need to retain revisions or drafts. The first option is for revisions. You can check this option for using the function for post with their post type to set revisions. The second option is auto drafts. You can check this option to use the function for post with their status to set to auto draft. For the trash posts, you can check this option for the function of post with the status set to trash. We have comments cleanup. Spam and trash comments will be permanently deleted. The first option is spam comments. You can check this option to evaluate the comments. The column will be removed using the WP delete comment function. The second option is trash comments. You can check this option that comments with trash or post trash values in the comment approved columns will be removed using the WP delete comment function. Then we have a transient cleanup. Transients are temporary options. They are safe to remove. They will automatically regenerate as your plugins require them. You can check this all transients option here. That will use delete transient and delete site transient function. Then we have database cleanup to reduce overhead of database tables. You can check this optimize table. That will optimize the table using the optimize table statement. Then we have the automatic cleanup option. You can check this schedule automatic cleanup option. This will use the job to run the selected database optimization options, depending on the specific user interval. The available cleanup frequencies are daily, weekly, and monthly. You can set your desired frequency from here. Back up your database before you run a cleanup. Once a database optimization has been performed, there is no way to undo it. After doing all the settings of database optimization, you can click on Save Changes and Optimize. By that, with the help of WP Rocket's database optimization tool, we can obtain a clean, efficient database for improved speed and performance. That wraps up database optimization with WP Rocket. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials.